Hi everyone. So today we're looking at a retrieval operation where a Christmas tree is being raised up through the Moonpool, and the viewpoint is looking down along the riser stack from simulating a view that a rig crew member might see on board an offshore vessel. Up in the top right hand corner in the little inset, you can see what it looks like from underneath as well. So the video looks graphically impressive because it's been generated using Unity, which is a gaming engine. And there's a Unity plugin in Flexcom which allows you to export your Flexcom databases and import them into Unity and create really high quality video. So we can see the Christmas tree just being raised up, and you can see quite a lot of lateral movement of the system as the vessel is responding to the wave environment, and you can see the water level moving up and down the moon pool. And just as it comes into contact, then you can see quite a lot of lateral movement as the Christmas tree bumps off these bumpers on the edges of the moon pool. There we go. So a nice little video showcasing really the animation capabilities of Flexcom coupled with Unity. So thank you for watching and see you next time.